Barry.
Yeah?
Could I have a word, please?
Of course, Jim, yeah.
Sorry to trouble you, but
What is it?
remember you borrowed £10 from me the other day, didn't you?
Oh, yes, I did. Thanks for that. That was great, yeah.
I'm a bit short, you see, and I could
No,
do...
I'm a bit short.
Yeah, no, but I need the money back if you don't mind.
Oh, right. You want it now?
Please, if you've got it.
Can you just hang on a sec, Jim?
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Just a minute. Paul? I'm in a bit of trouble. I'm a bit short.
I know you are. You always have been.
No. I need £10. You've not got £10 you can lend me, have you?
10 quid?
Yeah.
I don't think I have.
Hey?
No, I've only got a fiver. Will that do?
Well, that'll do for a start, yeah, thanks.
Oh, you're welcome to that.
Hey, thanks, Paul. Thanks. Jim?
Yes, yeah.
You know that £10 I borrowed off you?
Yeah.
Well, I've not got the £10, but I've got £5.
Oh.
So if I give you that £5,
Yeah.
I still owe you £5.
Oh, that's fine, yeah.
Is it all right?
Yeah, of course it is.
Oh, great.
Thanks a lot,
Cheers.
Russ, yeah, good.
Hey, Jim.
Yeah, yes?
You haven't got the £10 you borrowed from me last week, have you?
Oh, I borrowed 10 quid. I forgot about that.
Well,
I haven't got... I've got a fiver.
Have you?
If I give you that, will that be all right?
Well-
And I still owe you a fiver.
You all right, Jim? That'll do.
Okay?
Yeah, cheers.
Okay, good.
Hey, Brian.
What is it, Barry? What?
Remember last week you borrowed that £10 off me?
Yes, I did, didn't I?
Yeah, you've not got it on you, have you, by then?
I haven't, Barry. No, I've got a fiver.
A fiver?
Yes. Would you like... I'll give you the fiver.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I owe you £5.
Well, that's all right.
Is that all right?
Yeah, that's fine, thanks.
Cheers, Barry.
Jim,
Yes, yeah.
you know that £10 I borrowed off you?
Oh, yeah.
I gave you £5, didn't I?
You did, yes.
Well, if I give you that £5, that's me and you square.
Of course it is.
Okay.
Hey, thanks.
Good.
That's yes, good. Oh, Brian.
Yeah, what is it?
Hey,
What?
you know I borrowed £10 off you.
You did, yeah.
I gave you 5, didn't I?
I got the fiver, yeah.
Well, there's the other 5.
Yeah.
Now we're square.
Oh, good lad. Barry?
Yes?
Yeah, you know that £10 that I owed you?
Yes, you gave me 5.
I gave you 5. Yeah, look, well, there's the other 5. Now you and I are square.
Hey, thanks, Brian.
All right.
Great.
Cheers, Barry. Paul?
What?
Here's that £5 back.
Oh, cheers, mate.
Okay.